Welcome back to Fishing with Ollie. We have got Kevin with us today, but the other microphone's broke, so dog chewed it. But he is here. Yeah, just in the background. So we've just set some stuff up. So we've got lure rod and 2 bottom rods ready for Selenge River. So we are now level 57 and we've got a fair bit of money. So yeah, let's go. So we're not fishing this week because we've just been doing some work on the yard. Just building the goats area really, aren't we? So yeah, that's pretty much what we're going to be doing tomorrow. And yeah, so yeah, we are. It's just loaded on. Now we'll load back onto this one. It's just gonna take some time, I'm guessing. No, okay. Oh, I hate this. (10 AM). Perfect. So we opened our Gary Scott Draco boat, which we got for the Congo River pack. So all we do, I don't think I've done a video on this map yet. Have I?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, yeah. All we do is go to the end of here. I can't remember doing it. So yeah, we just go to the end of, well, kind of close to here, but not too close. I don't want them down there actually.
Yeah, I did it.
So if we put it like that, and then just cast behind it, and it gets us bang on there. So I'm just gonna pull that back slowly, and it keeps it in place then, right in the edge of the box. And for this one, it won't cast as far, which is a little bit annoying. Full cast is in the box. If we put that one in that little dent there, and then cast that, it goes very much perfect. Let that sink. 22.8 feet. Then again, nice and slow. Yes. So we've already got a fish on, so that didn't take long. Yeah, it's this rod. Just have to make sure. Oh, not this rod. Oh, man. Some, like I said in my other videos, this is my favourite way to reel in a fish. Just back and then forward, back and then forward, and he comes off. Great. Of course he has. Just as I was saying that, but oh well. It's not like it's real life. If it was, I'd probably be crying right now. Because me and Kevin both know what it's like to lose big fish. It's not fun. What? Oh, for my keep net. Oh. So, yeah, let's get the spare 8'2" out. I'm starting to feel like I've already done a video on this map. Yeah, well, if I have, welcome back to Selenge River. Look, this lure rod's pretty good for him.
When did the mouth?
Yeah, the mouse lure's really good for him, but the actual rod itself is... No, it's very good. Happy with it. I mean, it did cost a fair bit. I think it was like 80k. No, the rod. So just cast this out to the rocks. Just got dead. And then reveal in again. And you keep on reeling. So you can change laws, but I find surface laws are definitely the best, and this mouse law has done me very good as well. It's what?
Why does it lose your last one?
When I buy no one,
So you can put that in.
and we've got a fish on.
You can just swap it like this.
Yep, I'm just gonna reel it in to make it easier. So there we go.
I like that one.
Yeah, this one's good. Oh, it's only small. Like, very small. Oh, there we go. Now it's fine. So, same again, back and forth. So what we don't want is that line to be very slack. I'm guessing that other one was quite small, which is why that line tension went really slack. But, yeah, it's not massive. Only £30. Well, not a lot more than that. Yeah, in real life it's a good fish. I mean, not for these. These go giant. The biggest one is like £83, I think it was. That was a unique. That one was fun to bring in. So, yeah, all we're gonna do is sit here and wait for a fish. There we are. That didn't take long. Oh, great. And he's just stripping my line, there's no point in reeling. So we're just gonna yank him in. Oh, and we've got another fish on. So, yeah, I don't know if this is a good fish or a bad fish. I mean, I won't complain. Okay, it's definitely a good fish. So I'll wait for that one to come off, and then we'll bring it in and go out in the boat and chase it. Because, I mean, he's stripping my line. Oh my god.
You got 430 feet, you'll be alright.
Yeah. Except I've only got like 200 left. Just over 200. Oh, that's actually quite a bit into it.
Yeah.
But yeah, well, there's my other line. Thank god. Oh, now he's coming in. Do I play him or chase him in the boat?
Chase it. Round the back.
Right, let's bring this one in quickly. As quick as we can. Come on, boat.
I don't wanna lose it. What the hell?
It's very weird on what these rods do. Oh, there goes my fish.
We're casting back out of the fish.
Well, that wasn't fun, was it? We lost a fish. I'm just gonna go a little bit closer. If we just go there. Chuck our anchor back down. So,
I wish you could keep
yeah. So, per as usual, don't listen to Ollie's advice, otherwise you lose fish. I mean, not always, but the game doesn't like me and made me lose my fish.
Come on.
Yeah, that's really bad, isn't it? So, yeah, let's just whack him down there. That's it. Can't have a video of catching one fish. We need to catch like 10,000. So we're just gonna sit in the boat and wait for a fish. Right, that they've both just gone at the same time. Let's bring this one in first. He's just got £109 Siberian Taiman. A unique. Well, yeah, it's £100. And this one's small. I'm gonna laugh if I can land both of these. Should I just try and yank him in? What I'm gonna say is don't properly yank fish in real life. Like, hold, but just don't yank. And I've got both fish. Nope, this one's gone. If I was a second quicker. No, this is the wonky god. So, as you can hear, Kevin's digging into the jelly babies. I'm guessing the guy's getting hungry. Even though we did have a whole pizza for dinner. And we've already ate 2 packets of sweets. So yeah. I won a challenge against Kevin. How much will the food cost? I said £6.40. £6.35. And you said £6.50, didn't you? Or £5 or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, once again, I'm just gonna sit in the boat and wait really. But I'd say the best bait. I was trying to talk.
My bad, dude.
Oh, shove jelly baby down. The best bait to catch the Siberian Taiman will be most likely large minnows, especially if you want more bigger ones. And just up against these rocks are good. So yeah, I'd say that's probably the best spot for me. But there are other spots where you can catch them, and of course you can use different baits and stuff. However you like to use it, but this is my favourite way on using it. And then I'd say the boat is probably easier. Probably if you catch a big one, you need to chase after it. Another 30-pounder. That's it.
Hey?
What?
That's supposed to be 60.
If we caught 3 fish,
No, we're going to caught 3.
swim.
Oh, we caught 3.
When?
We caught, double thing.
Oh, yeah. No, that was the second fish. What? I'm losing count of 3 fish. But I can keep count of 30-pounders. Pretty much on the dot, and 135. But yeah, as you can see, all on large minnows. And it's midday. But early morning or late evening, what I would say is probably the best times for them. I mean, you can also fish from the bank and cast out to here, but if you catch big fish, it will probably take a while to bring in. And also, if you do get a double take, you just have to listen to your alarms if you've got bite alarms, which is very annoying. But there are 35 different species in here, so you've got like grayling, umu, burbot, dace, minnow, roach, perch, and then all that. You've even got some nice pike in here, which do go up to big baits. And then of course the Siberian Taiman, which I've caught common trophy and unique on. And I've also caught the Umil, in common, trophy, and unique, which I think I was using small minnows, which you get them quite a lot, but my gear was too heavy, so it took XP away, which is why I used large minnows and started catching Siberian taimen. So that's sweet. So that's probably the best way I'm catching them, really, I would say. But yeah, you can fish however you want to. It was just casting the rods out and changed time, so I was recasting them, and this one's gone off. I've not even had a chance to recast this one yet, and that's a good fish, I think. Oh, almost lost him. Nah, I should be fine to just drag him in. Karen's just going to get us drinks and that. That was good timing. Yeah. So yeah, you might be able to, Kieran, you might not. That's better. We want more 80-90 pounders. Maybe. Maybe. There we go. So there we go, that's both what's casted out now. So, yeah, go sit back in the boat. Well, there's a fish and it's up in the mountain. So, let's see what's happening here. I don't know how he's up there. I should. That's pretty cool, actually. Just see a fish jumping out the mountain, and it's attached to my rod. Right, let's see if we can land it. What's your head? Thanks. Oh, I think this may be a good fish, actually. Do we risk and bring the other rod in? Actually, let me. That's done. Oh my god, that fish would have gone. Oh, of course he's coming in now. I've pulled my ankle off. You were saying it wasn't belling?
Oh, it's belling.
Oh man, I don't know which fish is going to be bigger. It's fine, this one's almost in. I don't think he wants to come in. He don't actually look too bad, I don't think. Might just be first fish on this rod. Oh. There goes that fish. Karen wanted a picture of the fish, clearly.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh wait, no, never mind, it's fine. Well, that was... You do normally get double takes, which is why it's probably better to use one rod. Should we see if we get anything on the rod quickly? Straight into the rocks. You just see my lure come out the rocks. How far do I cast it in the rocks? There we go. Now we're just gonna wait until there's a fish. Having a bottom rod at the same time as the lower rod is probably a lot more better. Because I mean, you don't always catch on the lower rod, it's gets a bit boring. But yeah, we should be fishing next weekend, but if not, we'll be back on Fishing Planet or something. So, yeah, we'll see you in the next one.